Welcome back one more time, friends, and this time I'm going to make a amazing chicken biryani, which will be with chicken on the bone and a beautiful quality of basmati rice and two main ingredients I'm going to use today. So it will be very amazing to watch this video, and many of you were requesting for a long time to do some video on chicken biryani. So here is this video today. You'll see various steps in the process of making an amazing Hyderabadi Jafrani biryani, and also I'll try to be little frequent in making my food videos. So alright, so for the chicken biryani, the first thing we will be doing, we'll de-skin this chicken. You can see this chicken is with skin, so the first thing I'll do is the de-skinning. So you can see the legs are separated, and this is the breast part, so I'll keep this here. And now you can see so you can very easily remove the skin from the leg. So here you can see this the leg, और मैं ऐसा प्रेफर करता हूँ जिस चिकन के अंदर स्किन ना हो. अगर आप करी बना रहे हैं तो उसके अंदर चिकन स्किन रहे ना रहे कोई दिक्कत नहीं, बट इफ़ इट्स बिरयानी then it's better to remove the skin. Alright, so we got our chicken nicely drained out because I have used a perforated pan for chicken. So now we'll add the spices. So the first thing will definitely be turmeric, haldi. Then goes the salt, 2 teaspoons or maybe 3 teaspoons of salt, some red chili powder, garam masala powder. So we have this garam masala powder. I'll use a little extra garam masala, which will make your biryani very aromatic. And now the main ingredient. So I will recommend this spice, which is a Suhana chicken biryani mix. So you'll get plenty of mix from the same brand in the market, so where you can find paneer mix, kadai chicken mix and many other mix. So now what I will do, I will take a bowl. The marinade is with the chicken pieces, and very nicely mix everything together. The chicken, the yogurt, the ginger garlic paste, the beautiful and the magnificent Suhana chicken biryani masala, everything I am mixing together. So मैंने सब कुछ इसमें मिक्स कर लिया है. For my Hindi viewers, तो मैंने इसमें सब कुछ अच्छी तरीके से मिक्स कर लिया है. मैंने चिकन को पहले डी-स्किन किया, उसको अच्छे से मैंने करी कट पीसेस काटे. उसके बाद उसके अंदर एक बढ़िया सा मैरिनेट बनाया, जिसके अंदर टर्मरिक, गरम मसाला, नमक, सुहाना का चिकन बिरयानी मसाला, दही और सर नमक डाल के हम इसको अच्छे से ऐसे देख सकते हैं आप ऐसे मिक्स करके रख लेंगे. मैंने बताया पहले भी इस वीडियो में कि आप इसको 1 से 2 घंटे रख सकते हैं. अगर चाहें तो ओवरनाइट के लिए आप इसको फ्रिज में रख सकते हैं. याद रखिएगा, इसको डीप फ्रीजर में नहीं डालना है, आप इसको फ्रिज में रख सकते हैं इन अ टेम्परेचर विच इज़ just 5 to 6 degrees centigrade. So nicely mix everything. And so एक चीज़ मैं इसके अंदर भूल रहा था, वो था लेमन जूस. So मैं लेमन जूस लूँगा इसमें अच्छे से to just give a little tangy flavor to your biryani. And now mix it again. You can mix it again. And now this is time to keep the chicken in the fridge. All right. So the first thing we'll fry will be the cashew nut. So I just split all the cashew nut into 2, and now I will just fry them golden brown. So you have to be very careful when frying cashew nuts or any kind of nuts. शुरुआत में ये आपको वैसे सुनहरे नहीं दिखते, लेकिन जैसे ही एंड होता है ये एकदम से जलते हैं, so you have to be very careful. Now it's done. And now I'll try to take them out. And now the next thing will be the fine sliced onions, which will be used as brown onion. सुनहरे भुने प्याज जो कि बिरयानी के अंदर इस्तेमाल करेंगे। तो मैंने प्याज को चॉप करने के बाद अच्छे से इनको खोल लिया है, आप देख सकते हैं बारीक खोल लिया है मैंने, जिससे कि आसानी से सुनहरे हो जाते हैं और जल्दी हो जाते हैं। इसमें भी आपको उन्हीं बातों का ख्याल रखना पड़ेगा, जैसे काजू लास्ट मोमेंट में एकदम से जलता है, वैसे प्याज भी शुरुआत में तो नहीं बट एंड में एकदम से ब्राउन होते हैं और डार्क ब्राउन हो जाते हैं। सो यू हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल, इट शुड बी ऑन हाई फ्लेम ऑल द टाइम। यू हैव टू बी, you can see this sizzling. So now you can see the onions are almost done. So this is the right time when to take out the onion and on a plate. So in a minute or less than that मैं इन प्याज को निकालने वाला हूँ। So now it's time for yakni, and for your information I am going to use the same oil which I have used for frying the onions. First goes the oil in the pan. So for all, there's information that this is a biryani recipe where I'm going to use a pressure cooker instead of a big pot, a traditional pot used for making biryani. So इस वीडियो में मैंने प्रेशर कुकर यूज़ किया है so that आप सब अपने घर में इसे ट्राई कर सकें। So अभी मैंने इसमें तेल ऐड कर दिया है, and now I'm going to add few of the basic ingredients. The first one will be definitely this green chili. So we'll make the yakhni very simple. And the next will be very few sliced onions. Nicely mix everything, make it little brown, like golden brown, and then I'll add the marinated chicken which I have shown you quite a few minutes before. So now you can see the onions are like golden brown. So at this point of time I'm going to add the marinated chicken, which is there in the fridge for last 5 hours now. So I'm going to add this. This is the procedure of making a so-called yakhni, the very base of the biryani. Yakhni is like the flavorful, delicious. The biryani will become the same, amazingly flavorful and delicious. So I'll try to make this yakhni more flavorful, where there is yogurt, there is lemon juice, there is mint, there is that amazing Suhana chicken biryani masala and everything. So at this point of time I'll saute it for like few more minutes. So the yakhni is almost ready, and I have taken out most of the yakhni in a bowl, and just left a few of the chicken pieces and a little gravy at the base of the pan. So now I'm going to add the rice. So basically this process is called layering. So the first layer will be the chicken and the yakni, basically the chicken yakni. The second layer will be the rice. So I have just boiled the rice before and keep it under the fan so that it get cold and the cooking stops. So now you can see the first layer where I have put the chicken and the rice, and I'm going to add this garam masala. I have a nice mix of many things, so basically the green chili, the mint, brown onion and cashew nut, many things. So I'll add like this, and then I'm going to add these raisins, very little raisins to give a very sweet taste in between, and then finally the Kevra essence. So I'm using this brand which is very popular in the Goa region. So very little, few drops of Kevra essence, and then similarly we'll repeat the process with the chicken. So now I'm going to layer this rice, chicken, the spices, again some chicken, then rice, spices, and then I'll show you the final product later on. So I've just completed the layering, and now finally the saffron infused milk a little bit with some ghee. So basically this is ghee, milk and saffron together all over so that it reaches to the bottom. A little more. So now you can see that, and a little bit of Kevra essence again, garam masala. And it's time to close the lid like this. All right, so we'll open it after 15 to 20 minutes.
A few moments later.
You can see the biryani with the rice, spices and everything.